When it comes to hormonal imbalance in women, did you know that there are some foods that can help? Foods that are rich in nutrients can be highly beneficial for women as they can improve their mood, energy, metabolism, digestive tract, and even their libido. Let's take a look at the most beneficial foods for hormone imbalance. And at the end of this video, we'll show you other great plant foods that can help your body. Yogurt. This fermented dairy product is abundant with calcium needed for the good health of the bones. Yogurt contains probiotics which have the ability to increase healthy bacteria in the gut. Moreover, it has vitamin D, which is essential for aging and balancing the hormones. Avocado. Avocado is rich in fiber, vitamin B, E, magnesium, potassium, folic acid, and contains healthy fat, which makes this amazing fruit extremely useful. Fatty fish. Omega-3 fatty acids can prevent numerous health diseases and conditions including heart disease, hypertension, inflammatory disease, and depression. Also, they are beneficial for cellular health. Vegetables high in antioxidants. Vegetables such as spinach, collard greens, and kale are of great importance for proper hormonal balance. Healing spices. Ginger, garlic, and cinnamon can make your skin glowing and youthful, stabilize your mood, and balance the hormones. There are also some foods that are to be avoided which can contribute to hormonal imbalance. Sugar. It can cause a hormonal imbalance among women and cause obesity and diabetes. It has a damaging effect on the liver, digestive system, and pancreas. Sugar can weaken your nervous system for 50% or more. However, there are some natural sugars such as honey which you can consume in moderate amounts. High glycemic foods. These foods can disrupt the hormonal balance. Fruit juices with sugar and white bread belong to this group of foods which have the ability to change the way estrogen is metabolized and increase the insulin levels. Alcohol. It can make the organs work overtime, dehydrate the body, and spark hot flashes. Caffeine. It's recommended that women who go through menopause not to consume caffeine because it can trigger hot flashes. Moreover, caffeine can cause nervousness and anxiety among young women. Soy. The thyroid gland has a responsibility to produce and store the hormones which need to control the body systems, but can be disrupted by the phytoestrogens. The thyroid hormone maintains appropriate metabolic rate for converting food to energy, balances blood pressure, regulates the rate of the heart, and maintains body temperature. And soy is a phytoestrogen, which mimics the naturally occurring hormone functions in the body. So it is of great importance to avoid the excessive amounts of soy because it can have negative effects on your body like mood swings, infertility, weight gain, and muscle loss. So as you can see, if you don't intake the right nutrients, women's bodies will not be able to produce the correct hormones.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.